Hello, Ete, how are you? Today we'll have a new lesson. It's a human urinary system. Before that, let's be familiar with key terms. Firstly, kidneys. It's a pair of bean-shaped. It means they have a shape like a bean. Organ which filter blood and makes urine. Excretion, the process of elimination or moving out of wastes from the body. Urine, it's a liquid waste excreted by the kidney. In humans, being a yellowish, slightly acid. It means urine, it's our waste product. Our waste product made by kidneys. Okay, human excretory system's organ, it's a kidneys, and they weigh only 1% of total body. 1%. And but excretory system removes excess of water and they consume 25% of its energy. It's unnecessary product. It means they use 25% of all energy in our body. The human urinary system consists of two kidneys, urine, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. And this is our urinary systems organs. It means from the aorta, blood comes, they filtrated in kidney. After that, they move away by the vein. In this kidney, blood which come and the filtered by the filtered blood, they produce urine, and the urine go by urethra to the urine bladder. After urethra, they move out. Kidneys are pair organs. It consists two layers, outer layer and the inner layer. The main structure, the main structural unit of kidney, it's a nephron. Nephron consists of tubules. Then blood comes to kidney. In kidney we have a nephrons, and nephrons filtrate the blood. Okay, what is our in care? If somebody want to be a doctor, you can be a nephrologist. Nephrologist, it's a doctor which treat a kidney disease. Okay, because in this time, in this day, we have a lot of trouble, a lot of problem with our kidney. And if you're interested, you may look for this profession. The second topic is the skin. Skin. Let's understand what's key term: epidermis, dermis, hypodermis. All of these are layers of skin. Okay, but firstly, let's talk about some facts. It's a myelin. What's a myelin? It's a color of our body. It's a protein produced by skin. Myelin protect our body from sun. And by myelin, if you go to the sun and the sun rays, you make your skin darker, and this is why, because of myelin. But some people have a genetic disorder like albinism. Albinism have a lack of melanin. Albinism people have a lack of melanin. It means they don't have a melanin, and they cannot go under the sun, and they look white. Okay, the structure of the skin. We have three layers of the skin. First epidermis, the second dermis, and the subcutaneous dermis or hypodermis. Firstly, epidermis. It's an outer layer of the skin. It consists dead cell and it protects the body from bacteria. It's an outer layer. It's the outer layer of the skin. Protect from disease and the bacteria. And it consists dead cell. Under the epidermis we have a dermis. It has a receptor cells It have a receptor cells which are reacting for pain, temperature, and the pressure. Also, in this layer, we have a sweat glands. We have a Sapes glands. Also, this dermis has blood cell, blood and the lymph vessel, and they transport nutrient into the skin. Okay, sweat glands produce sweat. Sebscous glands produce oil. Okay, the deepest layer of the skin, it's called hypodermis. It consists fat cell, and they store energy. Also, fat cells keep heat inside the body. It means that the deepest layer of the skin is called hypodermis, and they consist fat. They store energy. Skin diseases. First of all, let's understand some skin diseases. First, it's scabies. It's like it causes symptoms and they have a treatment. Causes itch made causes scabs. It can itch. It can pass from person to person after physical contact. Symptoms. The main symptoms it's itching. Okay, during night after the shower. Also red dots. The treatment is to use a cream and the lotion. And it's a hormonal change during puberty. It means puberty means you become adult. Yes. Also symptoms: pimples and the clogged pores on the face. The treatment is to use to clean your skin. Yes. It why and the causes because of sebaceous glands produce more oil, and this oil blocks the pores, and you have such kind of red dots on your face. Then tattoo. Tattoo is caused by microorganisms. There are different type of tattoo. Symptoms: area of red or brown color with the itching appear on body. Skin become raw, become hard, not smooth. Okay, the treatment is to use some antibiotic that kills the virus or kill fungi. It means that you have to use some medicine or antibiotics. Dark spots. Dark spots. It's first causes. The main cause of dark spots it's excess doses of ultraviolet light. It means excess dose of sunlight. It means light activates production of melanin, and the melanin gather in certain area in the skin. And these dark spots are the melanin that are activated by sun. Symptoms: dark spots on the skin. Treatment: people use creams to cure dark spots. These creams fade the effect of melanin. It means you use some cream. You use some creams that become your skin lighter.